I thought I'd come out of my silence, not yet to reveal myself, but I've been in this space for quite some time. Conrad Zen creates a cryptocurrency that gives us passive income. There's been a lot of FUD about this person, this crypto, where it's a copycat. Well, the fundamentals of the tokenomics of this coin and the similarities to someone that we're all familiar with early on in the HEX journey, when Richard Hart was sharing the tokenomics of why HEX was a better Bitcoin. People believed it was a scam, believing that this is a security, that there is no way that this token would generate 10,000x. There's no way there would be a payout. This individual, Conrad Zen, comes out early on, myself, in chat rooms, discussing and trying to discuss HEX, sharing why HEX would outperform all the other cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, that Richard Hart is not a scammer. Conrad Zen, a Bitcoin Foundation member, comes out, starts sharing information of why HEX would be a great opportunity early on. Myself, Dan Dog Crypto, have not revealed myself, been on so many sharing, letting people know about HEX. What would happen? They would terminate me, cancel me from any chats, removing me, silencing me as I shared the benefits of HEX. There's a lot of similarities that are occurring with PZEN. It has launched on Ethereum. It's going to copy over on Pulse chain. We want to be inclusive. We want to share something that we know has great opportunity when you're early. There's many crypto projects that are launching on Pulse chain. Great opportunities. PZEN. A lot of FUD has occurred. Why? Because we all believe that it's counterintuitive to HEX. It's another opportunity when you're early. There is only 750 holders of this coin. And yet the HEX community is coming out against Conrad Zen, stating that this is potentially a scam. There was a blimp, something occurred early on, and it was an error. There was no scam, no one trying to steal your funds. It was Uniswap V3. There are more than enough funds available in liquidity. It's an early opportunity for PZEN. It's a social engineering coin. It's a community. The community works together. The same as HEX early on, when Richard Hart was opposed by his friends at one point because he was a Bitcoin maxi. He switches over to Ethereum smart contracts because it allows building on that platform. And anyone who got in early benefited the rewards. Now with HEX, we are sharing. Yes, of course, there's benefits with HEX. You stake it, you get your T shares, come back later, and guess what? You're going to have inflation. But early on, everyone believed it was a scam. Well, now the HEX community is doing the same thing to Conrad Zen, who was a great advocate of HEX, who creates something that gives passive income. We are early, and some opportunities for others that didn't benefit in HEX, but in the future can. It's just another opportunity. Pay it forward, as you can see. What happens when you pay it forward on any transaction that occurs? It's going to be 2% on a buy and a sell that gives rewards. It's the community once again that benefits, but being early, being first, and sharing it from then gives us all great opportunities. Yes, it has started. You buy it on Uniswap, 2% goes right into your wallet from a buy or a sale. Very low inflation. Again, great opportunity. You have the burn function. Amazing what happens with this burn function. 0.01% just gets eliminated. And the more volume that enters into this project, what happens is a great opportunity because it's deflationary. Come on, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. The same as HEX. I'm not questioning whether HEX will succeed, but it can't just be one. There'll be many. As you can see, Hedron has done amazing with ICOSA. And anyone who has been in HEX and was staked in HEX now is getting minting rewards for being a HEX OG. And yes, they benefit from that. And we've received airdrops. Well, now we create something, and Conrad Zen, who assisted and worked tremendously and has made millionaires because sharing the benefits of HEX, but yet now we say he's a scammer. You can't trust this project. That is so untrue. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. As volume enters this project and being early and just sitting, you're going to receive passive income that we forget about. Passive income is amazing. You just leave it, let it grow from there. You don't have to trade, you don't have to do anything. You share it. What is happening with cryptocurrency? It's a movement of information, and money is moving simultaneously, but it's building a community. As we build this community, and if it's Pulse Zen, that's going to be on the Pulse Chain network and other great projects that potentially will be there, or there will be scams. But this project is not a scam, but we may believe that it's a scam. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. Remember, it's all about character. Conrad Zen's character. As you can see, the person has been involved with Bitcoin, has introduced HEX, has assisted. His character is flawless. He will not scam. He is not a scammer. It gives us the highest appreciation, as you can see here, that profits will occur for being first, being early. Yes, I love HEX. I am happy to have gotten into HEX. I was on every chat crypto station, Altcoin Daily, BitBoy Crypto, Crypto Man Ran. They all of them sharing, and they canceled. They would shut you down as you were sharing an opportunity of a lifetime. They shill. Cryptocurrencies had Alex Mozinski, Celsius, Three Arrows Capital, all these cryptocurrencies that were scams, and they were sharing information for other fellow crypto enthusiasts that got into these projects. BitBoy Crypto, $3 million from Celsius. That was a scam. There's been a lot of scams. BitConnect, Trayvon James, he just shared the information. He didn't know it was a scam, but that was a scam. Well, all of a sudden now he's got a more token. I don't believe he's a scammer, but time will tell. Conrad Zen, I know for a fact, is not a scammer. Do your research. The character of a person is being attacked here, and I can't stay silent anymore. I need to come out, and I am coming out because I'm being silenced, even sharing on HEX, sharing the opportunity that Pulse Chain brings to every fellow crypto enthusiast because they're going to get the airdrop. But now we have a project that Conrad Zen creates that is an opportunity of a lifetime, but we only want to shill things that we are in, and we're shutting down other hexagons when an opportunity presents itself. There's a lot of similarities. I've been in it before when I was sharing HEX, and now other hexagons are doing the exact same thing to Conrad Zen, and I can't stand for that because it's wrong. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. This is Pulse Zen. I love HEX. I'm thrilled about what Hedron is doing with the ICOSA project. There's many other projects. Yes, but this here is an opportunity because nobody is in it. Look at this. It's just starting. Very little volume. It's already up. But it's a social network. Look at the charity. This is going to go to the DAO where funds will be distributed. That 2% can go to any charity that the holders vote for. It's a great project that gives people in need, charities, a financial income, and it's early. Everyone, I believe we should just stop what we're doing and remember when HEX started and how it all was in the early days. And now with Conrad Zen, he's being attacked as a scammer when this project is not a scam. PZEN is an opportunity of a lifetime. He shares it right here, tells us that cryptocurrency can go up and come down just as hard. PZEN is a great opportunity. Fellow hexagons, what we're doing is the same that was done to HEX. And I personally have been in chat rooms and shut down, and once again am being shut down. So I'm supporting PZEN. I'm still a hexagon, a great opportunity, PZEN. Thank you.